Welcome to Ucanic. In this video we're going to share a couple of tips that will make your Ucanic scanner battery last a long time. So one thing that you always need to keep in mind is when you store the scanner and put it away after you have used it, make sure that you have completely shut down the scanner. If you only press the power button on the top of the scanner, that orange button, once, it simply just turns off the screen, but that's all. The scanner itself actually is still on. So if you are done diagnosing your vehicle, make sure to press and hold the power button on top of the scanner, and when you do that, this pop-up thing pops up on the side and you have to select power off, because we've seen a few cases where someone maybe just presses that once, the power button on top of the scanner once, and then the screen turns off, but what's happening is that the scanner is still on the background, and after over a few days eventually completely drains that battery, and when you try to turn on the scanner, it's completely dead. Use the original scanner that came, the original cable to charge the scanner, but if you don't have that, just use a regular, like a 1 amp USB-C scanner. Do not use a fast charger to charge the Ucanic scanner. There's also, if you are garage and diagnosing cars for hours and hours, I'm talking about 3, 4, 5 hours or more, there's one setting that we recommend to turn on. If you go to settings, go to system settings and go to battery, and then right here, if what you'll see here is the battery saver, you can turn this on. So the battery saver, you can turn it on right here and always keep it on. Okay, or you can go to battery saver here and say turn on automatically at 75%. So if the battery reaches 75% and it keeps going below that, the battery saver is on. This helps the scanner last a lot longer, especially if you are like diagnosing cars all the time. But those two settings, making sure that the scanner is fully turned off when it's stored away, and also making sure that the battery saver is on. You can also turn on this intelligent battery saver if you like. Those settings will make sure that your scanner can last for hours and hours when you're diagnosing an issue, and when you store the scanner and you put the scanner away, it is staying charged. And then on the top right here, you see this plus sign, red plus sign, and what that means is that the battery saver is on. On this model, you can scroll to the right and you have the battery saver options right here. But if you don't have this interface, you can simply go to settings and change the battery saving settings from here. Alright, thank you for watching Ucanic, where you can be the mechanic.